Okay, so the Panicle hydrangea, which I think is definitely my favorite. I love them all, but the Panicle, it's just easy. It's
It's just
just
the most
easy.
dependable. Yeah.
It is, and it's something that even if you get it wrong pruning, it's still going to come back. You're still going to get flowers. It's hard to get it wrong, and it's so exciting.
It's an extrovert. It's an extrovert who wants attention, but deserves it, I think, in my estimation.
Is that why I like it?
It's
Uh, it's the one that waited till everybody had their say. It's at the party, everybody's being loud and everything, and then they kinda run out of steam, and it goes, "Here's what I have to say."
I know. It's
Mid-season, bam, and it trumps everybody else. They're all like, "Oh," you know, "Is it
really
time to leave? I think it's time to leave."
at that point, the Annabelles have become toasted marshmallows, and the macrophyllus are turning whatever color is not blue or pink. And yeah, the panties are just like, and now it is my time.
It's my turn.
Mhm.
Yeah. And takes
Yeah.
it all the way through to the falls, getting a little more blushed, a little more red, a little more dried, and and then give you that during the winter if you don't want to take them down. So, yeah, I gotta say, favorite child. So, favorite panicles. Come on, guys,
Well,
list them out. Let's get them.
I mean, I'm loving Little Lime and Limelight, but you talked me into getting, and I think I got 2 of them, maybe 3 baby laces, new for me, new and tiny. Am I going to be so happy soon?
I sure hope so. I love baby lace. I told
Oh,
myself
good.
I wouldn't talk about baby lace on this on this
But
show
I'm
'cause
forcing
I'm
you
just
to.
not gonna talk about it too much. Pinky Winky,
Uh,
you gotta give it out. I hate that
I hate
name
the name.
so
Oh, I won't
much.
I refuse. No, I will not.
Let's rename it Scott. Let's call it something else,
Oh, I
just
thought you were
between
like, name
us.
it Scott.
No,
You
let's
sound
not
like
name it
you.
Scott.
No, no, that wouldn't sell either. Um,
But I love
um,
that one. It is a very, very good one.
I've got I think it's called s strawberry vanilla or vanilla strawberry.
oh, I used to
That's
grow that one at my big old garden. That was a
I
good
like that a
one.
lot.
Yep.
Yeah.
And help me out, Firelight?
Maybe.
Firelight.
Yeah.
I
So
think
And they're kind of
Firelight, which is truly on fire in the landscape. I actually saw that at Andrea Gasper's dairy farm out in Michigan and I was just blown away by the nicely proportional blossoms to foliage, but a lot of blossoms and a lot of foliage. It was awesome.
that's
those
cool.
are great
You know,
plants.
Bobo's a nice little one. I almost feel like, the flowers are a little too big for the plant.
Mhm.
Yes,
I think a lot
yes,
of people will really like
disproportional.
that. Yeah,
So
but a lot of
vulgar.
people love it, and,
I think
there's another smaller one that I can't think of right now that's
Bobo's a useful one because it blooms more in sun, but it does take some shade and still blooms. So if you're trying to keep, a hedge or a unified look with sun and shade, then you can use
not
Bobo
do it.
to good effect.
That's a good point because there's a building at UC where I pass almost every day on my way to work where, there's, like, a whole row of limelights, and they're stunning, and I don't know what happens, if it's because it starts competing with trees or if it is the end of the line for irrigation. Probably the trees,
Something bad.
but the very end of it are these withered, struggling plants
Oh,
where the
no.
rest of it looks so good, and I've always wondered, is it the shade or is it something else?
Yeah. Eh.
There's just
Probably
root
shade. The root
competition,
competition,
don't you
yeah,
think? Yeah.
yeah, probably.
Seriously, I wanna know the naming group, the focus group who thought Bobo was a good name for
They should
anything, any plant. Let's name it
this is
Bobo.
why we
That's
need
a
the mob.
fabulous idea.
I mean, it's better than Pinky
We
Winky, is it
it's
not?
better
I
than
don't
that,
know. No, I don't think it's
but
better than Pinky Winky. Yeah.
yeah,
Bobo.
there's this is where it's good to know guys who can go and punish the people who name plants
So
that.
do you make that happen on a regular basis?
Unanimously, just out of the blue, they're
The
walking
radio
out of their
show.
house going to work and a lead pipe to the knee. Like,
Don't be naming
"Bobo,
plants. No.
Bobo is dumb. Don't
We
do it again."
we do not in any way, condone the unnecessary violence of Scott Beuerlein on this podcast,
No matter how bad the hydrangea name is. No, listen.
no matter how much of a Bobo.
I'm sorry, I didn't condone it either. I was just joking.